Good evening. My name is Keith B. Thomas. On behalf of EVSP501 of American Military University, I'm presenting Presentation 1, a natural resource overview of Oxitex OX5034 mosquito release within Monroe County, Florida's ecosystem. Topic: an adaptive management approach to a human-introduced ecological disturbance through the introduction of genetically modified Aedes aegypti mosquitoes within the ecosystem of Monroe County, Florida. On or around April 25th through May 1st, 2021, project managers anticipated the emplacement of release boxes, non-release boxes, and netting quality control boxes in 6 locations: 2 on Cudjoe, 1 on Key Ramrod, and 3 on Key Vaca. Cudjoe Key has a population estimate of 2,105 as of July 2021, land area of 5.7 square miles, and total housing unit of 1,693. Ramrod Key, population 6,623 as of May 2021, land area of 9.8 square miles, and total housing unit of 4,969. Vaca Key, population 8,581 as of July 2019, land area 8.44 square miles, with a total housing unit of 5,749. All these locations are homes of several restaurants, family entertainment, museum, leisure, and outdoor recreational activities. Soil types of the 3 locations consist of tidal, extremely stony, occasionally flooded, and frequently flooded soils. The tropical climate and Gulf Stream introduced vegetation from West India and temperate North America. Vegetation varies from dense shrub thickets to tall shrub strata. Mangrove swamps occur in flat coastal areas. A sample of each vegetation variety are twisted air plants, which is pictured, cardinal air plant, and Bermuda grass. The FWC maintains an inventory of mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, fish, butterflies, mollusks, and exotic species. A sample of each are in the following slides. Common mammal species, the opossum, pictured. Common bird species, American goldfinch. Common reptile and amphibian species, the oak toad, which is pictured. Common fish species, the bonefish. Common butterfly species, the Bahamian swallowtail, pictured. And mollusk species, the banded tree snail. A sample of exotic species is the Australian blue-tongued lizard, which is pictured as well. The Environmental Protection Agency did not conduct an environmental impact statement under the National Environmental Protection Act, hence no public original involvement. Possible violation of 40 CFR 26, subpart K, which states ethical requirements for third-party human research for pesticides involving intentional exposure of non-pregnant, non-nursing adults. Subpart L is the third-part research involving intentional exposure to pesticides of human subjects who are children or pregnant or nursing women. There was also no federal regulation for genetically engineered insects designated as biopesticides. The current management plan is a modified integrated vector management outline with a focus on pest prevention through biopesticides through larva control and adult control. The first phase consists of regulatory trials featuring small projects with high statistical powers using protocols in which regulators review and approve the project. The second phase includes demonstration trials within a large pilot area with area-wide monitoring. Upon completion of the regulatory and demonstration trials, data collection, and regulatory approval, there will be an operational deployment of GM mosquitoes to suppress vector populations within Monroe County, Florida.